Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for December 18th. Last weekend, dozens of volunteers from the Central Florida community took part in a mock move, which simulated January's planned move from Orlando Health South Seminole Hospital to the new Orlando Health Lake Mary Hospital. Volunteers who posed as patients were transported in several waves to the new Lake Mary Hospital. Leaders from Orlando Health monitored the move from the Patient Command Center at the Lake Mary campus. The actual move to Orlando Health Lake Mary Hospital will happen January 11th, 2025.
It's one thing to have binders of plans and have routes mapped out. So today we get to actually drive the routes. We get to see the pathways that our patients will take as they enter the buildings, making sure that little things like badges work, that equipment is full functioning. So it just really gives you a real-time look at what you can expect.
Hospitals responding to a disaster need to make sure resources remain available for treating the most critical patients. But setting up an alternate medical treatment site or alternate care site helps ensure patient care can continue.
This is our alternate care site setup day, or ACS day. We do this once annually for Orlando Health. And this is actually a field hospital, so we can deploy this in any major disaster or emergency. We have 4 of these field hospital components, or actually, as you're seeing today, we can combine them to actually make one huge hospital. The purpose of this is to offset the major crush, as we call it, to the hospitals. And that's the premise of today. If we can offload some of the major bulk of casualties to them, it's going to really help our main critical care areas. Today is about practicing, getting ready, teamwork, leadership, and just being prepared.
And last week, 2 Orlando Pride soccer stars visited Seacrest Studios at Orlando Health Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children for a special show and tell.
The Orlando Pride, Orlando's very own National Women's Soccer League team, are coming off the most historic season in NWSL history.
All the small moments matter, so celebrate those and never give up. Just keep going. Even if you think this big goal is never going to happen, it possibly could. So just keep going, keep fighting.
That's really what matters, right? Like everything that we're celebrating right now, championships and goals and being achieved, everything, but it's really about the people and the person that you develop into.
And this is the last week to submit your Orlando Health holiday photos to be featured on the Orlando Health News Review and the Holiday Photo Album. Check Swift for details. And here are a few upcoming volunteer opportunities. Check the Community Relations event page by clicking the link above. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.